What's going on, guys, and welcome once again to our channel, Kool Adventures, your Central Florida family here from Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights. As in this video, we are gonna have a Scareactor Dining here at Lewis, right back there. So we're gonna show you the whole entire process of what you have to do, from how do you get your tickets, where do you have to just go, and of course the whole experience about the Scareactor Dining. And of course we're gonna be giving you our honest review. Is it worth it? Is paying $55 per person worth it? I hope you enjoy this type of content and hang on with us for a little while, because we're gonna have a lot to talk about. With that said, please consider to
subscribe
and also
slash that like button
if we're sharing any valuable content with you. Family, are we ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. Wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it!
I could show you how to defeat.
So we are here at Cabana Bay, just because we came here to do the Legends Gallery. But tonight we have the Character Dining. And one thing that I noticed is that in the email it says that you have to pick up your tickets.
We read.
We finally read that email. So we come to the vacation planning, and as you can see, it asks you to swipe your credit card to begin. And once you swipe it, it asks you for the reservation number that is in your email. And then after that, then you get your tickets.
So it looks like you get 8 tickets, like 2 per person, because one's the actual dinner, and then one says it's valid for 1 digital photo redeem.
Oh, because
so you get the dinner voucher and the photo voucher.
That's pretty cool. Does it tell you the time? Because I don't even remember what time I selected.
That's not good.
No, I know it was the first one or second one. It's between 5 or 5:30. I don't know.
Oh, we need to know.
That's the pressure. That's the pressure,
We
people.
gotta figure that out.
Very quick, guys. Depending what time is your reservation, you will have to come here right before 5 o'clock. So you will have to have either a stay and scream ticket or a scream early ticket. That's how they call it. And also be here right before 5 o'clock, because we gotta make that line over there to make it to the holding area, so that way we could go to our reservation at Lewis, because that's the restaurant where they're having the Scareactor Dining this year. Scareactor Dining is returning since 2019, and for what I heard, we never done it before. For what I heard and read, a lot of people like it. A lot of people like it. It's very popular. So check the website in order to experience that. So once you enter the holding area, guys, then you actually come over here and do a line after a line. Let me see how that works, because in the website they ask you to basically do a reservation. So I'm not sure how this works.
I don't know if this is the one. Maybe it's wrapping.
Yeah, I'm not sure either.
I send the kids.
You send the kids to find out. All right. But the part that I don't understand is, like, if you make reservation, no wonder why it doesn't tell you the time, right? It's kind of odd. Although they say that there's only limited amount of tickets sold, but it's kind of confusing. We'll see. So we happen to be making Scareactor Dining line over here. One thing that we noticed is that in the reservation, it doesn't set the time. So make sure you take a screenshot of the time that you did, because if not, you're gonna be asked to either wait or whichever. So it's kind of confusing though. So make sure you do that. With that said, what they ask us to do is just to make this line and show them our tickets. And as you can see, once you make it to the front, they're gonna sign you up. They give you the menu and wait. Oh my, check this out. So they have converted this whole thing. So what they do?
How you doing, boss man?
Hey, good on yourself.
I'm all right. I'm gonna have to go to the left of the statue right there.
Oh, perfect. So as you can see, they asked me to just come to the left. It looks super spooky. I like that. Look at this. You should already see Michael Myers down there. Wow. Just so you guys know, this includes basically a picture with a scare actor. And right over there you can see the mummy. The mummy happens to be down there. Look at that, that's freaking awesome. Scareactor Dining Experience.
They have salads. They have crudité platters. They have sides. For breads, entrees. They got a spicy mac, meatball slider, bow tie pasta.
That's interesting. That's pretty cool though. Now, I don't know how, I'm assuming is this like an all you can eat, Karen?
I'm not quite sure, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm a little bit confused.
Yeah.
Things are not as clear, but
Yeah, they're not.
that's what we're recording this, guys. We're obviously gonna be discovering this together, so we shall see. Also want to point out to you the different screens, you know, the menu boards have been converted into different terrifying screens. I like this. So we just have the team member, and this is all you care to eat. So you can come back as many times as you want. So that's pretty neat. Can I get a little bit of everything?
Everything in 2 pizzas?
Yes. There you go. You got some cheese pizza. You have mushroom and truffle pizza. You have a Nashville style chicken and mac and cheese over there. So Karen is basically grabbing a little bit of everything just to showcase it. I am not gonna grab it because, you know,
There's no point, yeah.
yeah, there's no point. I don't eat vegetable and all of that, so you're doing it just to show it in content.
Yeah. There's a couple things we can eat.
There's no reason for us to spoil food if it's not need to. But anyway, so far it's looking kind of neat. Obviously, I think today is their first day, so
There might be some kinks.
yeah, they're working it out. And the character, I'm digging the character. Look at the mummy right there. You got the mummy down there and Michael Myers in the other side. So I'm actually enjoying this. So some of the salads that they have is a pasta salad, and they have Mediterranean salad and Caesar salad as well. So you have variety. Check this out. They do have a plant-based sausage cauliflower, a maple slider, balsamic roasted Brussels sprout,
Black linguine with shrimp
and
and carb strip loin.
ooh, I like that. If you haven't done so, as you can see, Karen is working extra hard for the TikTok as well as Instagram. So follow us on their Kool Case Adventure. So we're checking out what kind of desserts they have. So there you go, a mini pumpkin pie. We got some macaroon. And also red velvet cake pop over there. You could also choose ice cream, gelato bars, or chocolate. You got the salted caramel, vanilla, mint chocolate chip, and strawberry sorbet. Now that's pretty cool. More scare actors are coming out. Ooh, I like it. Look at that. Look at that. That's awesome though. Here's a closer look of everything that we grabbed. So that was the last 2 items that we talked about. The meatball, salt. What was this, Karen? The sirloin?
Sirloin.
Yeah. Caesar salad, pasta salad. You got spicy chicken, mac and cheese. You got the truffle cheese pizza. You have the cheese pizza. And we ended up going with one of the specialty drinks, the gold, what is this, Karen? The gold juice. So I'm gonna put it on the screen right now so you get to see the ingredients on everything. Now the kids have started eating. How's everything so far?
Pizza's so good.
Pizza's so good, everything's so good. Kalel, good? Nothing better than eating with Michael Myers, just standing right behind you.
Me and him had a staring contest, and
You
I
did?
think I won. So.
You won? Well, look at that. He's staring at somebody over there. That's kind of frightening. Anyways, as usual on our channel, we're gonna try everything out, and we're gonna let you know if it's good, if it's worth it. Check this out, guys. We have a piece here on our table. Are you joining us for dinner? Oh, you're more than welcome to join us. We got plenty. As long as you can protect us. Don't attack us, protect us. Are you a friend of Michael Myers back there? I don't like him either, so. Awesome.
You gotta say hi.
You gotta say hi. Alright, so we're almost halfway through dinner, Karen, so far.
It's really good. It is a little bit cold, but I think it's just because of they were moving the line a little bit slow to begin with. But other than that, it's really, really good.
Well, we also took time to take pictures and film. Okay, so we gotta see also if we go for a second time, if they might switch the plate and it will be warmer. But other than that, it's really good. Now,
Really good.
your drink. I know you don't drink. You don't normally drink.
It's really good. I like it.
So after this one, you may be completely happy for the entire
I'm
night.
done after that.
So, but other than that, it's a good, smooth for you.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
All right. Food for you guys.
It's good. It's just really, really cold.
Okay.
I'm enjoying it.
You're enjoying it. You're in heaven over there. Okay, good to know. Here you go, guys.
Food is food.
I need you all to alimentense, okay? Be full of energy.
Right.
So you can have fun with the fiesta tonight. You know what fiesta it is, right?
A party.
Party.
Fiesta, pero about what? There you go. Miren qué lindo, tan inteligente. Abuela's very proud of you. So today is el día de sangre, day of blood, which is why we celebrate el chupacabra.
Ooh.
And every year I make these masks. They don't call me el fabricante de máscara for nothing. Okay, the mask maker. And I make masks for everyone. Don't worry, there's no age limit either.
Okay.
Yes, I make masks for everyone.
So you're saying like I can join if I wanted to?
Claro que sí, the pueblo is open to everyone. But when you come to the pueblo, don't be going anywhere you don't need to be going, okay? You stay in the park. Is that cool, please?
That sounds like a plan.
What'd you say?
I said that sounds like a plan because I don't want to see the chupacabra.
Listen, it's just a legend, okay? It's just a legend.
It's just a legend.
Yeah, don't worry
Okay,
about
okay.
it. That's why we have to celebrate him every year.
Okay, we will.
All right, I'm very excited to see you on the fiesta. When you go there, you look for the mask maker, okay?
I will do.
I'm very excited. And listen, you guys are awesome. For dessert, don't pay anything. It's on me.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate that.
See how I take care of you all? Miren qué niña tan linda. You guys have fun. I see you around.
Thank you.
So technically, she said I could join.
I am loving the interaction so far. This is awesome. Awesome, awesome. I like this. I like this type of experiences.
Taking everybody from the different houses.
From the different houses, yeah.
It's Scare Zone Street. Because they have one from the candy Scare Zone.
Scare zones, yeah.
It was him. It was him. It was him.
Me?
Him. Right here.
I did not do it. I did not do it. Are you here to eat with us? Why not? We got plenty of food. Oh.
He ate already.
You ate already. What did you eat? A lot of candy or? Okay, gotcha. That's why you're.
Sugary.
That's why you're like that. You're in a sugar rush. So you basically have to go. I got a guy over there whose name is Michael. You could actually get all that sugar rush against him. Because he said he can kill whoever he wants to. Oh, okay.
Where you get the candy from? I want some candy. Over there? Okay, I'll stop by.
From Major Candy Co.
I'll stop by.
Oh, okay. We're gonna stop by there later on tonight. Are you gonna be there? Because I need recommendation. I need to know which one is the best candies. Okay, I'm gonna come by and see
We'll
you.
see you.
I promise.
Tell us which was the best one. Okay.
You're gonna be looking for us.
Okay. Thank you.
Got Kyla.
I like sweaty.
She's learning how to be part of that group. Look at that. Oh boy. Whoa.
I think I could do that.
Hold on, Kyla.
Wait.
Hold on. There you go. Do it.
I'm practicing.
That's what I'm talking about. Woohoo! You made it. You made it. Oh yes. Kyla, you're part of it. There you go. Now you're part of it. You
I'm
are.
a witch, guys.
By the way, with dinner, your soft drinks are included. So they do have Halloween Horror Night specialty drinks. Tyler's over there trying to select which one she wants, but that's good to know. I know that Kaleo was checking off for me. What kind of flavor, Kaleo, they have?
So for the specialty drinks, they have orange howl, zombie fizz, and creepy cooler.
Creepy cooler?
Yes.
Which one did you take?
I took the zombie fizz.
All right.
It's Fanta.
It's Fanta.
Yeah.
So you just take like a grape Fanta?
I haven't tried it yet. We're gonna wait for Tyler to come back. So
Okay.
I'll try it.
Yeah, you can come. You can come. You're more than welcome. All right, friends. So luckily for us, we did not have any lunch, so we're technically enjoying this dinner
Lunch and dinner.
together. But for $55 per person, I can tell you right now,
We're eating good.
we're eating good. Oh, plus we're getting to see Michael Myers scare the heck out of people too. But anyways, are you saying hi to Mikey?
Like
Now, why is he staring at me? Guys, I don't know. He's staring at us right now. That is
looking
freaky.
at me. I haven't blinked yet.
I don't know.
I think he's winning.
I won.
Okay, see? Woo, somebody distracted him. Now, guys, really quick. That's the drink that you chose, the
This is
specialty
first
drink.
one, this is the second one, and then we're gonna try the third one.
Okay, so go ahead and try that one. Let me know. Let me know.
It's normal Fanta.
Normal Fanta.
I know
Good.
one.
It's normal, yeah. It's good.
Like it?
That's good. It says normal Fanta. I thought it would be something else.
It's
Okay.
good.
That's
I
good.
like it.
Do we need to take a picture with Michael? Oh boy. Every time you pay for this dining, they give you a free picture. Michael doesn't like to have fun. But anyway, so what we decided is to let the kids have their own picture as well with each of the characters. I'm following to your lair, my friend. Uh-oh. That is so awesome. I'm loving it. I'm loving it.
I like your
Now, let me ask you something. Can I borrow that? No? Okay. That's how
That's how
Wolfie and Dracula got in trouble. Where are they?
Oh look, he says
Ooh.
like prize possessions.
Yeah. I'm loving it, man. I love all of these things. I'm gonna stay here with you. Wow, look at that. All right.
See you later.
Bye-bye, my friend.
We're following her. Probably leading us to the candy, obviously.
Hola, we back. Alrighty, guys, so there you have it here from Universal Studios, where we had the Scareactor Dining at Louis. What do you guys have to say about that Scareactor Dining?
I thought that was super fantastic. The characters were amazing. The food was really good. The desserts were really good too. I think, even though I didn't pay for it, obviously, that it was still worth the money.
It is really, really good. The interaction with the characters is amazing. So it's definitely a plus. The food's good. The desserts are okay, but it was really, really good.
I really liked it, and I'm stuffed. I don't know what to say. I'm stuffed.
We definitely, when they said all you can eat, we definitely took that to the extreme. So
I think we crossed the line on that aspect. We are stuffed. There's a lot of, we ate a lot of food. It's worth the price. So anyways, guys, I don't know why it's so loud in here.
sorry, people are getting murdered right now.
But anyways, guys, sadly this adventure has ended. And with that said, I want to remind everybody to
Subscribe.
And slash that like button and turn that bell notification.
Bing, 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 and feel free to comment down below or just message us.